Hello guys. In this video we will replace the gears on a sewing machine. There are 3 screws to remove the top cover. We will disassemble them. After removing the top cover, we will also remove this front cover. When we remove the front cover, we see the lamp. Let this lamp not hinder us. To do this, unscrew it and put it on the side. We'll have to put it, yes, this way. During the disassembly process, we will first remove the needle. We will disassemble the needle bar. Three pieces came out of this. The third piece we will remove will be this shaft housing. There's a screw here for us to remove this. There's a screw here. There's a little screw on this back. From here on up, we will remove it. Next is to remove the cock. There's a clip here to remove it. We will remove this. There is a screw on the main shaft to which the cock is attached. We will take it out. When we rotate the shaft, we will see the screw. We will remove the screw here. Next is the die gear. There's a little screw here to remove it. We'll loosen this up. We'll pull this up just a little harder. We have to push it up strongly. We rotate it to extract it. It doesn't come out like this. We will rotate it to the left. But I couldn't rotate it by hand, so I'll try the wrench. Complete this to remove the flywheel. You will need to remove the strap as well. We will remove both screws here. We will also remove this shaft plug. There are 1 or 2 screws for this. Let's remove them. Two parts for removing the shaft. Left. We will dismantle these 2. It has screws. Loosen the screws and here is the screw. The other one is already here. Yes, our teeth are idle right now. I'll just take it off. Now it's time to remove this vertical shaft. We will remove the pulley from the bottom. I will change the gear of the vertical shaft. It seems like it will be a little difficult to remove and change the die gear of this other shaft. I will put this gear in hot water for a while. I will warm it up. I'll try to make it that way. I kept it in hot water for 5 minutes. I think it's even opened. I removed the gear. Now I will install the new gear. I will put it in hot water. Let it soften and pass easily. Now, we will collect our machine. Complete assembly and disassembly. Of course, we will do the opposite. Firstly, let's install the vertical shaft. We will pulley connection from the back. Yes guys, I will install the shaft gear now. We insert this screw and tighten it all the way to the end so that it can easily fit into the bracelet. We will wear it inside the bracelet. Let's install the gasket. Then we will install the eccentric. Friends, when installing this gear and eccentric, the most important thing we should pay attention to is there are two shaft slits here. There is one here and there is one behind it. If the eccentric screw fits into this shaft slot, the gear screw should fit on the other side. The screw of the gear is here, the screw of the eccentric is here. If these coincide in the same place, it will stitch to reverse. The fabric goes backwards, not forwards. We need to pay attention to this, otherwise you will have to disassemble it and rebuild it. Yes, now let's install the flywheel. Next is the die gear. We will put it in place. This one had a little screw here. Let's not forget to tighten it. When we installed the cock, there was a screw to tighten. Let's tighten it. If our video was useful, subscribe to our channel, like our video and write a comment.